My hair is so bad. Anyways, we're going to be styling it. It's fine. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Noma. If you're new here, hi. If you're returning, hey girl, hey. How you all doing, guys? So today I'm back to you with a styling video. It's a hair styling video. I haven't styled my hair in so long. I've literally just had it in cornrows for the longest time and just been ignoring it because I just couldn't deal. But I've been having serious thoughts of just shaving it all off, and I thought, you know what, it's probably just because of the lockdown and things are just so mundane and whatnot. So maybe I'm just getting bored and just need a bit of drama. Maybe that's it. So I'm like, maybe let's just try and style it and try and fall back in love with it, and we'll see how we feel after society opens up. So here in Ireland we're still in lockdown since January. Yeah, what is it, the third or fourth, I don't know, it's the third lockdown we've had. So I used this hair juice, so that's what it is, Black Pearl by Pearl 2C. I love this stuff. Like every time I go to South Africa, I make sure to come back with a few bottles of it. It detangles, moisturizes, softens. It literally does what it says on the tin. And it's just so easy to use. All I do is literally just spray it all over the hair like that, and just work it in. It really is that good. Like, I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Moko de Gorilla Snot Gel. Not Gorilla Glue, don't be using Gorilla Glue. So this is what it looks like. That's the Gorilla Glue, not Gorilla Glue, Gorilla Snot Gel. So, yeah, I guess you can see why they call it snot gel. It's really good though for laying down my 4C hair. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and split this up because all I'm doing here is applying the Gorilla Gel all over the hair and doing my best to lay the hair super flat against the scalp. And I decided to go for a middle parting instead of the side parting because I feel, well, it suits my head shape just a little bit better. And to help lay the hair super flat, I tied a scarf, well, 2 scarves, and left those on for about 30 minutes. Now you don't need 2 scarves. It's just a preference of mine because I like to use the navy blue one for my edges and the black one then for the rest of the hair. So I left those 2 on for about 30 minutes, and after that took them down very carefully. Now if you have the time, you can definitely leave the scarves on for longer than 30 minutes, but 30 minutes is sufficient time. And here I am just taking off the scarves, and you're doing it very carefully, as you can see here. And yeah, it turned out not too bad, if I do say so myself. And to help tidy up the edges, I'm just going ahead there and using an old toothbrush. And then for the styling bit, my favorite bit, I'm using old clippings that I purchased from Amazon. They are so affordable, bougie on a budget. That's what we like. I will leave the link in the description box below and you can check them out. And for the last clippings, you want to make sure that they run straight across the head, not curved, straight across the head, so it is easier for you to cover the bend using the braid. So I went ahead and clipped that last clipping behind the ear, ran it across the head, and did the same on the other side to make sure that that band was covered. You can definitely leave the style this way, but I just wanted to put in a little bit of bling to it, so I put on some gold clips on it, and yeah, that is the style, guys. That's it, the end of it. It is so easy, very quick, very versatile. You can leave it in for a couple of days, it'll stay put. So what do you think? What do you think of the style? Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I will check you guys next time. Ciao.